how to find an enchanted sword in Terraria. So if you are on the latest version of Terraria, there is only a 33% chance that shrines will generate a one tile wide vertical shaft. So with older versions, you will always probably see like a vertical shaft all the way down to the shrine. But now there is only a 33% chance to generate that, so most shrines are now fully buried with no surface opening. So as you can see, like this shrine right here, so if I go, and if you look on the map, there is no vertical shaft. But if I dig to it, as you can see, we have the enchanted sword just like that. And also do note that in modern versions or on the latest update, if you find a proper shrine structure like this with flowers on the walls, the sword inside is guaranteed to be real. So as you can see, I now have the enchanted sword just like that. So the fake sword shrines were removed. And there's also a 2% chance that the object will drop the Terragrim. So this is what the Terragrim looks like. But if you want a guaranteed enchanted sword, what you can do is use a custom seed. So here, if you're on the version 1.4.4.9, just basically copy out this seed right here and make sure that you set the world size to small and also set it to corruption just like that. After that, just simply click on create. Now once you are inside of the world, just head over to the left side of the map right here until you find this large pool of water just like that. So just basically go to the left bank of this pool, then just dig down right here all the way down till you see the shrine just like this. And as you can see, we now have the shrine, and just basically destroy it, and as you can see, we have acquired the enchanted sword. And that is how you basically find an enchanted sword in Terraria.